Thought of the day: victory belongs to the one who refuses to give up. 1. The Union Cabinet has approved the Grand Chemical Scheme. Under this scheme, 3 major chemical parks will be established in the country at a cost of 3,030 crore rupees. These parks will span at least 2,000 acres, with expected investments ranging from 20,000 crore rupees to 50,000 crore rupees. The scheme will remain in effect for the next 5 years, until 2030-31. 2. Five-time world chess champion Viswanathan Anand has been appointed as the interim president of the International Chess Federation, FIDE. The incumbent president, Arkady Dvorkovich, voluntarily stepped down due to sanctions imposed on him by the European Union, EU. Anand had been serving as the deputy president of FIDE since 2022. 3. According to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the number of medical colleges in India has risen from 387 to 844 over the last 120 years. During the same period, MBBS seats have increased from 51,348 to approximately 1.39 lakh. The government has also launched a family adoption program to improve healthcare services in remote areas. 4. The Spanish government has declared a national emergency due to severe wildfires. Scientists have linked this situation to climate change. So far this year, over 100,000 hectares of land have burned in Spain, making this one of the most devastating wildfire events in recent decades. 5. Elon Musk's company, SpaceX, has successfully completed the 13th test of Starship, the world's most powerful rocket. NASA is closely monitoring this mission, as it intends to use Starship as a lunar lander for its Artemis 3 moon mission. 6. Mohammad Shahabuddin, the 22nd president of Bangladesh, has resigned from his post. Shahabuddin assumed office in April 2023. Following his resignation, Parliamentary Speaker Hafiz Uddin Ahmed will now serve as the acting president. According to the Constitution of Bangladesh, a new president will be elected within the next 90 days. 7. Word of the day: Rule 267. Rule 267 is a special provision within the rules of the Rajya Sabha. Under this rule, a member of parliament can demand an immediate discussion on a matter of urgent public importance. If the chairman grants permission, the scheduled proceedings for the day is suspended to prioritize a discussion on that specific issue. Simply put, this rule provides an opportunity to raise a crucial and pressing matter in parliament on a priority basis. It is currently in the spotlight because the opposition has submitted a notice under Rule 267 in the Rajya Sabha, seeking an immediate discussion on the NEET controversy and the alleged police action against protesting students.